I'll turn the regular down a bit. Narrate a little bit.
If you want to.
The suspension's been changed. Look at the suspension.
Hey guys, this is Steve.
The shock tower's been removed, and we have a coil-over front suspension with customized tubular A-arms.
Sweet.
Adjustable height shock absorbers.
How low are you going to run it?
How low?
You going to put it low or normal stance?
Not too low. I want to have a little bit of bounce to it, you know.
Right. So you ain't busting fenders up or nothing?
Yeah.
Get all these little pieces.
And what's really cool, Frank, is the hush mat kit. The silver, it's like a pull, backing off. It's like a glue side, and it just sticks on there. And it's a sound deadener and insulation all at the same time. And we have it on the inside of the roof. No more tinny sound.
Yeah,
it's solid, you know.
My green car, I put a mini tub in it. So I put a fatter tire on it.
Okay.
And it was vibrating.
Okay.
And I had to get some stuff to put on it so it wouldn't vibrate.
Oh yeah.
It's driving me crazy.
It'll do it. Yep.
Hey guys, what's going on? Over here at the shop again, do a little video on how the car's coming. First I want to say thanks to all the new subs over the past month or two. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Probably put more videos out in the very near future. Gonna try to keep up pace and try to get more out. It's been a while since I did a video, but like I said, thanks to everybody that subbed lately. And I'm gonna give you guys a peek at my car, get ready to take it in and put some sealer on it. There we go. We got it all taped up. I still got to do the driver's side door. But got it ready to go in the paint booth. We got to clean it out. Hopefully get started on that here before too long. As you see, I'm just putting it on there. Got it cleaned up. Says if you got a little bit of surface rust, you can paint right over it. That's about the way it is right there. Put a couple coats of this on both sides, and then hopefully that'll take care of it. I'll give you another look when I get done with it. Alright guys, as you can see, I got my pour 15 down. I did pour 15 in these two spots where all the metal was. All these floor dampeners, they still felt like they were pretty good. So I just used some regular paint. Not regular paint, but it's supposed to be. That right there is what I use. I just went ahead and covered up the sound damper and stuff because the pans underneath, everything looked good. It's just these two here in the middle. Might have an issue one of these days, but I decided to go ahead and do them. Did the door panels last week. Put 2 coats on that, both sides. You can see it turned out pretty good, nice and shiny. But that's where we're at right now. got some sealer on this thing, 2 coats. Glad to see the car's all one color. Still a lot of work to go though. Alright guys, we got 3 coats of primer on it now. Probably going back. The next thing we'll be doing is we'll be hitting it with some 180 sandpaper, and then we'll sand it down. They make a paint called guide coat. You spray it on, it's like little black paint, and you just sand it down until you get it all nice and level. But anyway, here we go. We got 3 coats of primer, 2 coats of sealer, and got that much done. That's a pretty good accomplishment. Been working on a car for like 3 or 4 years. We're gonna get some what they call dry coat, just like black paint. You spray it on, you just sand it down, probably 180 till you get it nice and smooth. And we'll probably put 3 more coats on it and do it again. But anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for liking and subscribing. All the new people for the last month and a half, 2 months that like the channel, sub the channel, I appreciate it greatly. And